Happy New Year's to Justin Chia. Come and get your wallet. Everybody put your bag down now. Stop making the bags so noisy. This one's from Tough. Happy New Year's to Louise. Nice enough. Good job. You don't look very happy. You don't want to. You want to, don't want to. Yes. This one's super cool too, look. From Tough. Happy New Year to Dr. Lance. This matches you. You're welcome, Richie. Look at this little cheap bag. It makes a woman very trampy, very cheap, very low class, but it's fun. This is for Miss Jace. Sometimes when you go out, you take this fun out, let's put it on you. Nah, it's cheap and trampy. Yeah, give it back. This is another little cheap bag for cheap women going out for a cheap grill. It's for little Shin when she goes out.
Thank you.
Happy New Year. Take the bag. Look at this one. Fun and sporty. I picked it out. This is for Miss Becky, who's been very cooperative with Paul. You like it? Try it. Let me see. My model for us. See, it matches her. Yes. This is for another little cheap girl who's got a heart of gold, Miss Yvonne. When you go out, why not? You try now. Are you so alien? I love it. This one is for a conservative woman who doesn't want to show how much money she has, so she wears a black bag. Miss Pat. Happy New Year. Model it for me, sister. Nice. Put your dollars in there, love. This one's for another woman who needs to come out of her square shell. Happy New Year's, Yeti. Try it. Match her look. Nice, huh? Make you look good. You know what this is for? Put your keys on now. What do you think? Model, let me see. Yeah, nice. You look nice, and you like it? Don't like it? Happy New Year. This is a going out bag at night. Sometimes we need to go out at night and be a little fancy. Pay attention, everybody. Sometimes we need to go out at night on the town and dress up. This is for Yang Ping also. Tell us we're going out. Sometimes we put Chia. Let me see. So match your loud bag. Bring your bag lah, your shiny bag. No bag. Hey, Justin Chia. Next time you see her, put glasses on, sunglasses. You do, she's already beautiful. This one you wear when you go out sometimes. Very good stuff. You learn from her how to clean it. You don't just simply put it in the washer because you'll come home. Alright, you put this in the washer, all the glitter come off, that's it. Use it. I know you like it. Cheap little girl. This is another cheap shirt for another cheap tramp. This is for Miss Jace also. Come and get it, Miss Jace. She likes all these little shiny things, huh? Try it on. Oh no, it's loose fitting. So when you go sleep at night, you can wear that, but wear something under it. You're welcome. You're welcome. This is for Miss Wendy. Happy New Year. Who works hard but communicates not as hard. Here you go. Model for us. You make sure, huh? See, I got good taste, don't you? Okay, get lost. You're 5 minutes out. Not for you now. Greedy, I know. Look here, hello. This one's from Miss Sumi. She's already surrounded by a tiger, so let's give her a leopard. Oh, I forgot this one for what? Let me think, I forgot. Where's the other bag? I have more bags. No, God. No, where's the other bags I bought? I gave it all up. Where's the furry bag? Gave it up. Oh, yeah. I'll see that. This one is for Ethan. This one is for Brian. This one's for Dr. Lance. I think it's cute. It's Butch. Thank you. This one cannot hit the ground because the rhinestones come out. Any louder, we're going to kick out of here. I gave this to Lily, but it just fits around her neck. You know what, Lily? It didn't even fit around my neck. She didn't get it, she's pretending you did. This one is for Miss Yvonne. Sometimes I go out, have feet shiny. You know why? Because when you go far away, Louise can find you. Albert? That's so bitchy. JP said Albert. I gave it to Ben Kui, but Ben Kui ran away. I'm going to give this to Tupton. Just kidding. This one is for who guess? How'd you know? Come and get it, kid. Spruce up your life and change your shirt, for God's sake. One last one. One last bag. What do you think it's for? I gave her a bag this morning. One last bag. What do you think it's for? Come on, say it, somebody. Ethan. Who is it for? JP? No, he wants a shirt. Huh? Does this look like Janai? No. It's for Pep. I want you to have different bags to switch. You're a woman. You enjoy it. Try it for me. Nice. Nice one. That's it. It's been very fun. And I wanted to wish you guys a happy New Year. It's been a year of going back to Kampung Balay, right? Before New Year's, after New Year's, work hard. Work hard for the dharma. Work hard for KH. Don't be difficult. Don't always say cannot. If you say cannot, somebody else have to do it for you. Then you're not very kind. If you always say cannot, other people gotta do. If you always don't do and you make excuses why you cannot, someone else have to do. If someone else have to do, then you do your mantra, no effect. Why? The mantra means kindness. Okay? And listen to your department heads. Liaisons of your department work very hard. Some of them don't have any money. Some departments don't have any money. Don't always go to department, give me. I'm not well, I'm this, I'm that. Always make problem. Help your department. Make your department grow. If you make your department grow, your department take care of you. It's everywhere. You will never find another job like us because we care. You will never find anywhere. And I mean it. Do you know why? Because I'm the top. And that's how I think. So everybody under me must think the same way. That's why you'll be careful. As I grow, as our organization expand, as everything become better, I will take care of all of you. I'm not the type to use people, become big, and don't care about people. I'm not that type. I care about everyone. I come today to shop with you for one reason. Because I want to make sure all of you get good things. Some of you will be shy to take things. Some of my people will be shy to push you. But I want to come to make sure everybody gets something very nice. I want to make sure. You guys understand? So afterwards, repeat, translate everything for Yamping because Yamping doesn't understand. So she understands because she's important also. Translate everything, Brian, you tell her. So I'm very happy to go shopping with you. I enjoyed it a lot. Sumi and Ben Kui and Andrew worked very hard for 2 weeks to arrange all this and to push everything together. Without people like Sumi, without people like Ben Kui, I cannot do my job effectively. And I mean it. So if you guys support Sumi and Ben Kui and people like Sumi, Ben Kui, JP, all the liaisons. If you in this case, it's these two lots, this case. If you support the liaisons and support these people, you are supporting me. If you hurt the liaisons, you don't listen to them, you're disrespectful to them, you're hurting me. Why? If you hurt them and they don't do their work well, I have to do extra. So if you think I'm a good person, why do you want to do that to me? So take care of each other. I promise all of you, I will take care of all of you. And I will never use you. I'll make sure you are all right. I am always watching and getting news because I care. I don't come to your department to see what's why, because I want all of you to make your departments grow. When our departments grow bigger, we will benefit from many more people, and that's very beautiful. Okay? Wonderful. Wonderful. We had a wonderful time. How do you feel, Justin? I need a little more than that, or taking the gifts back. Oh, did everybody get everything they needed? Yes. According to the quota, did everybody get it? Yes. Who did not get? I need a real speech, not a fake speech.
Shows that everybody really cares.
Oh. Anything else? Of course I care. Anything else? Do you enjoy working with these people?
Yes.
They're nice people, aren't they?
Yes.
Martin took off from work to come and help. I wanted a coordinator. And all the other coordinators, Dato and everybody, good job. It was very organized. I can't believe we finished so quick and so early. I was shocked. It was fun, wasn't it? Yeah. Tell them how you feel. Oh, come on. The cat's caught your tongue. Hurry up.
No, I used it. I like shopping. And it's nice shopping for other people.
For a change.
Yeah.
Yi, how do you feel? You're happy to find square things for your square body and your square feet? I will never forget that. Well, I know it's nice. Can I have a little bit more? Oh my God, change the bag. Look at the handle. Your handle is growing hair. Thank God I got her a bag, man. How do you feel? You eat quick.
Yeah, it's very nice. Oh,
It was fun, wasn't it? Run around here with groups.
and even the new channel actually they know each channel is shopping together.
It's very fun. It's very warm. How do you feel, Charina? Uh-oh.
For everyone because Rimchi always take care of people and now Rimchi able to take care more people for people in need and work hard for organizations. Then this is what I see. People also really enjoy for the shopping also.
Wasn't it fun? She has a big SQ. Good. Well, let's do a quick dedication, and then all of you, I wish you good night, and go rest. That's all. Thank you. Only. Come on. Chujit. Nani deve? Good night, everybody. Rest well. It's been very fun. Good night, everybody. Let's go home.